Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to jump in today's crafting video because I decided to do another resin experiment where I put my favorite food into resin and I made it into a resin tray. So I thought it'd be fun to play a little game real quick. Pause this video, guess what my favorite food is, and comment your guesses down below. I want to see if you guys can guess what it is before we jump into the rest of this video. Alright guys, so if you're ready to find out what my favorite food is and how this resin tray turned out, keep watching. Alright guys, I just went to McDonald's and secured the goods. So luckily I have a McDonald's like less than 5 minutes away from my house. So I will be home in just a minute and I will start this project. Okay guys, so for today's craft, I don't need a whole lot. I have a baking cake silicone mold that I got off of Amazon, some mixing cups, and a popsicle stick to mix up my resin. I'm using a 2-part resin. This is artist resin from Counterculture DIY. And then obviously whenever you're working with resin, you need to wear a full face respirator mask and gloves. And then of course I have my fries over here that we're going to be putting into this tray. Alright guys, so I'm going to put on my full face respirator, my gloves, I'm going to mix up some resin, pour it in the bottom of the mold, and then we're going to put our fries in on top of that resin. Okay guys, so it has been 24 hours and this resin is completely cured in here. Just to show you guys up close what the fries look like. It's looking good. This is going to need a lot more layers than I originally thought, but that's okay. I think this is going to be so cool. So I am about to mix up some resin and coat these fries. I'm just going to kind of push them down to make sure there's no like super sharp edges sticking up. So this time I'm going to mix up the resin using this new drill bit that I just got in. I ordered it off of Amazon. So I'm going to put this on my drill, and then when I pour my resin in this bowl, I just hold the trigger on my drill and this will mix it up for me. So this will be super handy. So I'm just going to change that out real quick. Okay, so now we are ready to stir our resin. Now I will say this is plastic, so I will have to like wipe this off as much as I can when I'm done, but that's okay. Okay guys, so here is what our fry tray is looking like. So I'm definitely gonna need 1, maybe 2 more coats. So now I'm ready to put the handles in and I'm gonna pour in our resin just like I did with the candy tray, if you guys saw that video. I got these from Lowe's, so I'm going to put those on our tray, pour in our resin, and let that cure. Alright guys, are you ready to see how this resin tray came out? Da-da-da-da! Here it is. This thing is so heavy. I think this one weighs more than that candy tray that we did. I'm not sure though. So let's go ahead and unmold this and see what it looks like out of the mold. All right, guys, so here is the bottom of the tray. It has like a matte finish on it. And then here's the top. That is the glossy side, as you guys can see. But look at how this came out. Honestly, I wasn't sure how this was gonna come out. I thought like all the fries were gonna turn like a disgusting brown color or something when we poured the resin on it. But it came out pretty cool. I almost wanna put some like vinyl on it or something, like fries before guys, or I don't know, something like that. So definitely let me know in the comments if I should put fries before guys, or if you guys have a better idea of like a quote or something that I can put on here, or should I just leave it plain? Do you guys think it's cool as is? I definitely need to like sand the edges down. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like kind of bumpy. But look how thick this tray is. This is insane. Alright guys, as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. If you liked this video, please let me know that you liked it by giving me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any other crafting tutorials. I'll catch you guys in the next one.